Today, I'm going to show you how to print specific pages in Word in just a few simple steps. This is really useful when you only need certain pages from a long document and you don't want to waste paper or time printing everything. Maybe you only need page 1, 3, and 5, or maybe a range like pages 3 through 7. Either way, Word makes it easy once you know where to look. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and make sure the file you want to print is ready. Once you're in the document, go up to the File menu and open the print screen. This is the area where you can control all of your printing settings before sending the document to your printer. On the print page, look for the Pages box in the printing area. This is the key setting that lets you choose exactly which pages to print instead of printing the whole document. If you want to print separate pages, type the page numbers with commas in between, like 1, 3, 5. That tells Word to print only those individual pages. If you want to print a continuous range of pages, type the first and last page with a hyphen, like 3 to 7. That means Word will print every page from page 3 through page 7. You can also combine both styles if needed, depending on your document. For example, if you needed page 1, pages 4 through 6, and the page 10, you could enter them together in the Pages box. After you enter the page numbers or range, double check that everything looks correct in the print preview. This helps you avoid mistakes before printing. Once you're sure the right pages are selected, choose your printer and click Print. Word will now print only the pages you specified, saving paper, ink, and a lot of unnecessary cleanup. This is one of those simple Word features that can make a big difference when you're working with reports, handouts, assignments, or any long document. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to print specific pages in Word quickly and correctly.